Number 1. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This is really an innovative product. The compact car tire inflator portable air compressor with high-performance motor can pump up a standard car tire from 0 psi to 36 psi within 6 minutes, top off Tesla tire from 29 psi to 41 psi, 255/40/R20 within 1 minute, pump up the whole tire within 10 minutes, 255/40/R20, keeping you on the road without the embarrassment of calling a tow truck. Number 2. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This car tire inflator offers an impressive maximum inflation pressure of 200 psi, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, and bicycles. Whether you're on a road trip or commuting, this inflator ensures your tires are always at the optimal pressure for safety and performance. Number 3. ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 cordless air compressor excels at inflating heavy-duty vehicles quickly, such as pickups, trucks, off-road vehicles, not to mention regular cars, bicycles, balls, pool floats, and air mattresses, not for SUPs. Ultra-fast inflation, 1.5 cfm at 0 psi or 42 L/min at 0 psi. VORTEX S6 air pump fills a 31 tire in 1 minute, 30 to 35 psi, gauge accuracy /1 psi, 160 psi max. Number 4. Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Only take 56 seconds to inflate 26.3-inch tire of a medium-sized car, 28 to 33 psi. It inflates with a pinpoint precision of 1 psi. Being faster and highly accurate, it is your ideal choice for a tire inflator. Under typical outdoor temperatures, the X8 Apex can work continuously for 40 minutes from a full charge. Number 5. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Built-in 25,000 mAh rechargeable high-capacity battery, Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor does not require an external power supply while working. 2x faster inflation speed, 30% more power than other ordinary electric air pump. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.